Okay, let's see what is this question trying to convey. Rakesh bought 20 chairs for rupees 1000. He repaired and sold them at the rate of rupees 500 per pair. So he got profit of rupees 100 per chair. How much did he spend on the repairs? So what is this question trying to say is that a man first bought 20 chairs for rupees 1000, then he got them repaired. That means his total cost price is not only the price that he has paid for buying the chairs, but also you'll have to add the expense that he have incurred to get it repaired. Fine. So he bought it, he repaired it, and then he sold it. He sold the chairs at rupees 500 per pair. So he is selling, fine, rupees 500 per pair. So how many chairs are there? There are 20 chairs. You can also say that there are 10 pairs of chairs because he is selling in pairs. Fine. So total cost price is, first he have to pay 1000 rupees to buy those chairs. So 1000 rupees to buy plus cost of repair. So let me call the cost of repair as X. So this is the total cost. Fine. What is the total selling price? So total selling price, he has sold it at rupees 500 per pair. There are 10 pairs. One pair is equal to 2 chairs. So 20 chairs, effectively 10 pairs. So total selling price that he will get back from his customers is equal to 10 into 500. So that is equal to rupees 5000. Fine. What is the profit? It is already known to us that he got a profit of rupees 100 per chair. So total profit, he have sold 20 chairs. Each chair 100 rupees of profit. So total profit 20 into 100 equal to 2000. Now you know that selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. So cost price is equal to 1000 plus X, selling price is equal to 5000, profit is equal to 2000. So based on that, let's try to calculate the value of X. So it means 5000, that is total selling price, is equal to 100 plus X is the cost price. So 100 plus X plus profit 2000. So 1000 plus 2000, 3000. So X comes out to be equal to 2000. Let's move to next one. Anjan sold a house to Binod at a gain of 10% and Binod sold it to Chirag at a gain of 20%. So if Chirag paid rupees this much, then what must be the price Anjan purchased it for? So gaining 10%. Gain 10% means increasing the value by 10%. So let's suppose that Anjan purchased it for rupees A. Now what has happened? Anjan is selling it to Vinod at a gain of 10%. So let's understand step by step. So Anjan bought it for A. So this is what we have to calculate. What price must Anjan have purchased it for? So I assume that to be equal to A. So this, he bought it, then he is selling it for a gain of 10%. So gain of 10% means you multiply the A with this number, you will get the new value. He has sold it for this much. So this means now the object has reached Vinod. Now Vinod sold it to Chirag at a gain of 20%. So Vinod is selling it to Chirag at a gain of 20%. So further you will have to multiply this by this much 100 100 plus 20. Why I am writing here 120? Because 20% profit. 100 plus 20. So Anjan sells it to Vinod, Vinod sells it to Chirag. So this is the total price that Chirag paid, and this comes out to be equal to 264000. So let's see if things can get cancelled. So this 0, yeah, cancellation is taking place. So 11 into 12, 132. 132 into 2 is equal to 264. So this 11 and 12 cancels. This is 2. So 2000. So A comes out to be equal to 2000 into 100. So that is equal to 2 lakh. Let's move to next one. An increase in the cost price of an article by 22% leads to the value of rupees 61. What was the original cost price of the article? Fine. So original cost price of the article, that means 100x, assume it to be 100x. Always try to make it a multiple of 100 because you are dealing with percentage. So if it is already a multiple of 100, finding any percent of it is damn easy. So this is the original cost. Now an increase of 22%. Now this when increased by 22%. So increasing by 22% means increasing its price by 22x, 22% of 100x. So when the price was increased, it then reached the value of 61. So this new price is equal to 61. So we have to find the original cost price. So 122x is given to be equal to 61, which means x is equal to 61 by 122 comes out to be half. We have to find the original cost price. So original cost price, which we have assumed to be 100x. So that is equal to 100 into half. 50. Let's move to next one. When certain quantity of sugar is sold at rupees 11 per kg, the gain is 10%. So selling price is sold at rupees 11 per kg. So selling price is said to be equal to rupees 11. Rupees 11. So this rupees 11 includes a gain of 10%. So this is the investment cost price 100% plus a gain of 10%. That means a profit of 10%. Then the customer have to pay rupees 100 because customer have to pay for the profit of the shopkeeper as well. So customer is paying rupees 100. So that is rupees 11. So that rupees 11 also includes 10% profit. That's why. So divide 100 in this ratio. Ratio of 10 is to 1. You will immediately get the cost price and profit. So cost price, profit. Divide 11 in the ratio 10 is to 1. So cost price is 10. Profit is equal to 1. So what does this mean? It means he is earning a profit of rupees 1 per kg. He is earning a profit of, therefore, profit per kg is equal to rupees 1. What is the total profit? Total profit is rupees 50. So what is the total quantity of sugar sold? 50 kg, because 1 rupees per kg. So to gain rupees 50, he will have to sell 50 kgs. Let's move to next one. What is the cost price of an article if a loss of 16% is incurred by selling it for rupees 168? So what does this mean? Cost price 100%, but in this case, by selling, there is a loss of 16%. Loss of 16%. So loss of 16% means he is able to recover only 84%. So this basically means that 84% of cost price, 84% of cost price is given as 168. So 84% of cost price is 168, and you have to calculate the cost price. That means if 80% value is given, you have to calculate the value of 100%, because 100% means cost price. So you can use proportion, concept of proportionality. So if 84 is equal to 168, what is 100% equal to? Proportional. So let's see, 84 2s are, so x comes out to be 200. That means the original cost price 200. Let's move to next one. Let's see. So Vivek bought 5 dozen apples at the rate of rupees 15 per dozen. He spent rupees 15 on transportation. So what is his total cost? Total cost. So first he buys them and then he pays for transportation. So total cost. He buys 5 dozen at the rate of rupees 15 per dozen. So first cost of buying 5 into 15 plus cost of transportation. So this comes out to be equal to 90. What is total selling price? He has sold these apples at the rate of rupees 24 per dozen. How many dozens does he have? 5 dozens. So total selling price is equal to 5 into 24. So this comes out to be equal to 120. What was his profit percentage? So it is very evident he invested rupees 90 but got back rupees 120. So he managed to earn a profit. So profit of how much? Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So in this case, it comes out to be equal to 30. Profit percentage. So you have earned a profit of rupees 30 because you have invested rupees 90 in the beginning. So profit percentage, 30 is what percentage of 90? So 1/3, 100 by 3, 33.33%. Let's move to next one. A shopkeeper purchases several articles at the rate of 11 for rupees 10 and sells them at the rate of 10 for rupees 11. What would be the profit earned by him? Please understand, what is this question trying to convey? So this guy, he buys article from somewhere else and sells in some other market. So there is a difference in approach in while buying and while selling. So when he is buying bundles of 11 articles. So for each bundle of 11 article, he have to pay rupees 10. So he is buying 11 articles, bundle of 11 articles, whereas he is selling them at bundles of 10 articles. That means 10 articles for rupees 11. So how is that possible? See, it does not mean that he bought 11 articles and he is selling 10 articles. No, it means, let's suppose he is buying in bundles of 3 and selling in bundles of 5. So let's suppose if he bought 15 articles, that means he bought in bundles of 3. That means you can say he bought 5 bundles. But he is selling in bundles of 5, that means 3 bundles. So same quantity, you to convert them in bundles, That approach is different. That means while buying, he is buying 11 articles, group of 11 articles. For each 11 articles he is paying rupees 10, and while selling he is selling 10 articles, packet of 10 articles. Now what should your approach be? Unless you make these two figures equal, calculations would not be that easy. That means you assume that you have bought equal number of items and you have sold equal number of items. How is that possible? So take the LCM of 11 and 10. Take the LCM of 11 and 10. So that is what? 110. So what I'm trying to say is that you assume that you bought 110 articles and you sold exactly 110 articles. You buy equal number of articles, you sell equal number of articles. Now 110 articles. So 110 articles, how much will he pay for 110 articles? For each 11 articles. So here he was buying in packets of 11. So how much will he pay? How much will he pay? Paying means cost price. So how many bundles are there? 10 bundles. One bundle is equal to 11 articles. So 110 articles is equal to 10 bundles. So total cost price is equal to 10 into 10 is equal to 100. He is selling in packets of 10. So 110 articles is equal to 11 packets. So you can say 11 packets. For each packet he is charging rupees 11. So total selling price 11 packets. For each packet he is charging rupees 11. So you can see he invests rupees 100 and gets back rupees 121. So you can see clearly that this is a case of profit. You are investing 100 but you are getting back 121. So this is clear case of profit. A profit of rupees 21. In terms of percentage, you would say that you earned a profit of 21 because you invested rupees 100. So 21 is what percent of 100? So answer is 21%. Let's see this one. A man bought pens at a rate of 6 pence for rupees 40. So while buying, what is his behavior? 6 pence at the rate of rupees 40. While selling, he is selling 4 pence for rupees 36. So first thing, you buy equal number of pens, you sell equal number of pens. Here you are buying 6, selling 4. That's not the case. You are buying packets of 6 while you are selling packets of 4. So first thing, you make these two numbers equal to reflect that you bought whatever you bought, you sold all that. So 6 and 4, take the LCM. LCM is what? 12. So you say buy 12 and sell 12. Then you realize what is going to happen. If you buy 12, what is the cost price? 6 pence, rupees 40. So if you buy 12 pence, you'll have to pay rupees 80. While selling, you are selling 4 pence for rupees 36. So selling 12 pence, 12 is equal to 3 times. So selling, if you sell 12 pence, you will get 36 into 3, 108 rupees. So your investment is rupees 80, you are recovering rupees 108. So this is a case of profit, and profit is equal to 108 minus 80, so that is equal to rupees 28. So what is percentage profit? Percentage profit. So you invest rupees 80, you get back rupees 28 as profit. So percentage profit is 28 is what percentage of 80? So this is 4, this is 5, so 7 times. So 35%. is the correct answer. Let's say this one. Rajiv sold an article for rupees 56 which cost him rupees X. If he had gained X% on his outlay, what was his cost? We have already solved such questions. So he first bought something for rupees X, then he sold it in such a way that he gained X% profit. So this is his investment cost price. This is the additional money that he is earning or profit. So total price paid by customer is equal to cost price plus profit. So that is equal to 56. So you can say that X plus X by 100 into X is equal to rupees 56. So you can take a guess. Let's try 40. So 40 plus, yeah, so 40 works. 40 plus 16 by 100, 40, 1600. So yes, 40 is the answer. If you solve this, X comes out to be equal to 40, or you can convert this into a quadratic equation. So we have already solved 3-4 such examples. Let's move to the next one.